guys, hey guys, Gaming Raccoon here, and I have modified the Maverick. I've modified it so it's more powerful, and we will be testing it today. Merry Christmas to all of you, by the way. We are gonna use this one bullet. Blue and a white bullet. I'll be back. We will do the normal first. So yeah, that's it. Boom. So that was the normal one. It's a bit dark. So as you can see, the bullet here, this is the bullet. This is the bullet. That bullet there, and that bullet there. So it's about maybe a couple of centimeters stronger. So, bye guys. Comment down below and subscribe if you like this video. If you like this video. So yeah, subscribe, and also shout out to Alex Cave, aka the Gaming Llama. Subscribe.